Hello, in this tutorial we're going to look at making a nominal taxable payment from within Sage 200. To do this we need to access the cash book module and then the bank account list. From here then we can go to our vatable payment screen. And the first question it's going to ask us in here is to confirm the bank account that the payment is going to be made from. So we're going to select the petty cash account and then tab through until we get to the check number or first reference. Here you typically enter the receipt number and then confirm the transaction date, so the date of purchase. You have got the option to enter a second reference, but I'm going to ignore that field and go straight down to the narrative where I'm going to type in a description of what we've purchased, so a USB cable. I'm not using project costing, so I'm going to ignore the project analysis tab and go straight to the nominal and VAT analysis, where I can enter the nominal code for the expenditure, which is 89200, which is our IT cost code if you're using the default chart of accounts for Sage 200, but this may vary on your system if you're using a different nominal structure. And then I'm going to enter a cost center in the department. You can see that the reference has come through from the header, and I'm going to leave that as it is, although I could amend as required, and the same with the narrative and the transaction date. The system will then ask me for the gross value on the invoice, which will be £4, and that's £4 including the VAT. So as I tab through, you can see that the system will automatically calculate for me the net and the gross based on 20% VAT, because the VAT code entered is VAT code 1, which is standard rate. I could have changed that if I was purchasing something that was exempt or zero rated. I could also amend either the goods value or the VAT value to reflect the receipt if that calculation was slightly different to the receipt. Once I'm happy with the detail, I can click on Save, and that will reduce the amount in my petty cash account and update the nominal expenditure and VAT codes. I hope you found this video useful.